Hey everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is the end of week 8. We have 4 more weeks to go before the chickens are ready to be butchered. These are the Freedom Ranger chickens, and unlike the Cornish Cross, which takes about 6 to 8 weeks before they're ready to be butchered, these take approximately 12 weeks. The birds are healthy and looking good. Towards the end of this video, I will do the weekly comparison starting from when they arrived all the way until today. After they finish eating, I am going to remove the pails from their pen, from the tractor, and then I'm going to move the tractor forward a little bit to give them fresh grass, and they will immediately start eating the grass after that. This week of week 8, they were eating about, I believe, close to 10 pounds of feed between the two tractors with all of the birds in them. So this is the first tractor, and the second one is over there. And for week 9, they will be eating about 10.5 pounds of feed. I will have the spreadsheet for you guys after week 12. I'll show you how we fed them, the amount of food each week we fed them, all the way through week 12. And I will also provide the spreadsheet if you guys would like to follow it. That's pretty much it for this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to help this small channel to grow.